Welcome back to Good Day. I'm here with Jade West, and she is a barista at Eliano's Coffee. Thanks for being here this morning.
It's good to be here.
So, you guys have some fun stuff going on.
Yes.
Tell me about, first of all, because it's getting into winter and everybody knows that coffee, you have different flavors. So tell me about some of the new flavors you guys have.
Well, for the seasons, we have a peppermint white mocha, which is so good. That can also be made in a sugar-free. And we have a pumpkin spice white mocha that's been doing really well so far, and also a gingerbread flavor.
Oh, wow. So tell me about the pumpkin spice white mocha. That's a lot of different flavors going on. What is that?
Well, it's basically like the pumpkin spice you get at Starbucks, but we've pumped it up a notch and put some white mocha in it, and it's really good.
Goodness. So it's some pumpkin with almost like a white chocolate type of deal going on.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh,
so
that
spicy
sounds really
and sweet
good.
at the same time.
Okay. All right. That sounds amazing. Now, how did you get this job working for Eliano's?
Goodness. Well, I heard about Eliano's first when I had a friend who lived in Lake City, and I'd go visit him there a lot, and that's where Eliano's started out. And we got one, and I was going there almost every day, and they said, yeah, we're looking for new employees. And I was like, oh my goodness, can I have an application? It's a dream job for me because I love coffee so much.
That's awesome. I can tell she's got a lot of passion over here. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, and so now you guys are not located in a building per se. Aren't you the drive-through that
Yes.
I think I've seen? Tell me a little bit about how unique that is.
We are strictly a drive-through. We have a pull-up on both sides that you can come, and it just makes it a lot faster, and you don't have to get out in the weather to get your coffee. You can just drive on up, and so no matter what the weather's like, you can always get your coffee, and we can get it to you in under 2 minutes, and it's really nice.
All right, man, 2 minutes. Okay. Well, so now you guys are doing some special things on Black Friday. What are you doing on Black Friday?
We are going to open at 4 a.m. so everyone can be warm and awake when they're doing their holiday shopping. And once again, you don't have to get out of your car, so you don't have to get out in the weather to get your coffee, so you can stay bundled up in your car and be warm. It's going to be nice.
All right, fantastic. Okay. Well, you guys, do you offer other things besides coffee?
Yes, we have milkshakes and smoothies, and also, of course, we have lattes and frozen coffee as well, so we can do basically anything you want. And also, we have bagels and biscotti and muffins.
Okay. Do you guys make those yourself?
We do not,
Okay.
but they are really good.
Where do you get them from?
We get them from a supplier.
Okay, well, there you go. Okay, I didn't know if it was like a local thing. Or,
No.
All right, well, fantastic. Okay, tell me a little bit more. What's it like working at Eliano's?
It is a blast. It is so fun. It was very stressful at first because, of course, we do it in under 2 minutes, and so you're trying to do everything. You're trying to get money, and you're trying to make their coffee, and you have to make it perfect. But it is just so fun now, and we have only about 6 employees, and so we're all really close, and we're all best friends, and it's a really fun place to work.
That's so great. Well, I've always wondered what goes into being trained for this job. What did you have to do?
We had to learn how to pull shots, and there's a certain way to do it. I had no idea when I first started working there how complicated everything was, and you have to know how many pumps of the syrups to put in there and how to steam the milk just right to get the foam on top, and a lot goes into it. And even how to make whipped cream. Like, I had no idea.
You guys make your own whipped cream?
We make our own whipped cream, which is delicious, by the way.
Oh, man, that is really neat. So when you started working there and you say you learned how to pull shots, what does that mean?
That means you have to get a little portafilter, and you have your espresso machine, and you have to grind the espresso fresh for each shot. And then you have to tamp it to a certain amount and then put it into the espresso machine, and it extracts 2 espresso shots. I know it sounds really complicated.
That's very complicated.
And then it has to be between certain numbers. It's really, but once you understand it, it's a piece of cake.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
Do you make, this is the other thing I always wonder about, like coffee maker people. Do you make this for yourself at home?
Well, of course, I don't have an espresso machine at home, so I can't. But
Okay.
I mean, whenever we want coffee, we just go in there and make it for ourselves.
Gotcha. Now, do your friends always like hit you up like, hey, can you make me some coffee?
Always, always.
I bet you're a hit at all the parties because people are like, she's the coffee girl.
Yeah,
she knows
exactly.
how to make it.
That's how I'm known.
Yeah, oh no, that's awesome. Well, now, are you a student here? Are you in school, or what's going on with you?
I actually just graduated. I was homeschooled, just graduated from high school, and I'm not at Darton yet, but I'm going to go in the spring.
Fantastic. What do you plan on doing there?
I'm planning on going for business management and hopefully opening my own coffee shop one day.
That's terrific. Tell me about that. What would you like it to be like?
I would definitely like it to have an inside. I love the idea of the drive-through, but I love just the atmosphere of coffee shops and everything like that. And I just like it to be a really cool place for people to hang out and maybe have some local talent come and, like play guitar and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think it'd be really fun.
That sounds wonderful. Well, you guys be on the lookout for her then. Well, tell me a little, since we're talking about Eliano's, do you guys have any sort of like point system or any special offers or discounts or
We
anything?
do actually. We have little punch cards, and every time you come and get a medium or large drink, you get a punch on your card, and when you fill it up, I think there's about 10 punches on there, you get a free medium drink, which is a very good deal.
Love that.
Yes.
Love those. Okay, fantastic. Well, that's so great. Well, do you guys have anything coming up for Christmas?
Not yet. Nothing we've planned yet, but I'm sure there will be something.
All right. Well, you guys make sure to check them out on Black Friday. Again, this was Jade West for Eliano's Coffee.